These are the smaller rows of corn that came up later. We have all kinds of squash growing in between: butternuts, spaghetti squash, some Japanese variety. This corn is a little bit taller. You can see it's already tasseling and has some ears of corn on there. They're looking great. Look at that beautiful blossom. It's gorgeous. There's some corn. Here, I'll just go ahead and show you how we've been doing the permaculture this year. This part wasn't completely finished, but I put down cardboard here in the rows, and then wood chips that are really well broken down are put on top of that. And as you can see, there's no weeds, and there's only weeds next to the actual plants, which we just go along the edge and pull out. So we don't plant in wood chips. We just put it down in the pathways to cut back on the weeds and to just keep it from getting too crazy in here. Those are some green yellow cherry tomatoes there. Over here we have some green beans. We'll have tomatoes, but they're all over the place. There used to be rows. There's no rows now. Here we have some tomatoes. It's hard to walk around and get a really good picture, but over here we have green beans, and we've been picking these for a while now. So I just picked them, so there's not a lot in there. Ooh, look at that. It's a garden spider. He is. He's so awesome. Hello, garden spider. Okay. We have cabbages. They may have gotten planted a little too close together, but hey, they're still producing cabbages, which is great. Over here we have butternut squash. There's some in there. You can see we're going to have a good amount of butternut squash. The arugula here is flowering. Over here we have cucumbers. We have some nice dill. Now, look at that trail. It's like weed free. Our lettuce has finally bolted. We're in a hot season here. Here we have watermelon. And there's also some kale, as you can see, planted in those rows. Down here we have beets. You can see the beets. And we have some larger squash varieties over here. Those are some really big leaves. And also maybe some cantaloupe down under there. If you look closely, you could see the littler leaves. Those are cantaloupe leaves. And hopefully we'll get some cantaloupe. I think there's some squash in here. There we go. You can kind of see it. A little shady in there. There's some more green beans that are getting taken over by squash. Some arugula, a beautiful butterfly. Hello, monarch. There's some zucchini. There's nothing like some good zucchini in the summertime, right? And we have over here, there's some sunflowers, and underneath are cucumbers and a few green beans, actually. Just doing some stuff with companion planting, seeing how things will work out. It's Thai basil and lemon basil, which is delicious. And we have onions.